morning everyone. Once again, this is Good Sam and ngayong umaga, kung nakita nyo boss, ayan may order na po si EI natin. Tsaka yung 5.50, ayan na. So yan po yung current na trade ni EI boss ha. Real account po ito. And this is Sense account boss. And as of today boss ha, ito. Ngayong araw na to, ang profit niya, okay, ngayong araw na to ha, look at, parang hindi pa yata nakapag, kaninang umaga eh. So, palagay natin, last 3 days ago, Monday, try natin sa, Saturday, Sunday, boss. Kasi, kaninang umaga nag-trade eh, hindi na-record. So, yun. Tingnan nyo, boss, oh. This is the, anong oras ba ngayon boss? 10 o'clock pa, tapos yan po yung profit. Pero ang good thing nito kasi nag-execute ng manual din. Ayan na, manual natin. So kung nakita nyo, yung order natin boss is sell manually. Okay, close natin ha, pakita ko po sa inyo. This is close. Standard po ito boss. Yan o, standard account. So that's our profit for today. Ang sekreto po rito, once na mag-trade si expert advisor natin ng 5.50 na lot size, kung ano po dito boss, kung buy po yung 5.50, magbabuy tayo with support and resistance and other confluences. Kung mag-sell yan, magsisell tayo. Ganun lang ang atin pong gagawin. So if you want to know more on forex trading, boss, real account po yan ha. So if you want to know more on forex trading at saka magamit ang software na to, I am giving the software to 5 person. So kung sino po ang unang makapag-message sa atin, ayun, libre po. Pero limited lamang. So kailangan yung 5 person is interesado, you know, grabe boss, oh. Profit na po yan talaga. So this is Good Sam once again, follow for more.